Hello, my name is Henry Rowold. I have had the pleasure of making a very special friend that I've walked with for a number of years, and his name is Job. And I would like to present an opportunity for you to make friends with that person too. He is a remarkable person who had struggles that none of us would ever wish on anyone else. And yet it was all programmed in a session with God. Reason I made that friend is I went through some troubles of my own. I did study the book here at the seminary and in graduate studies. And to add to that, I served over in the Chinese world for some years, and China puts special emphasis on education and on wisdom. And so that those all combined to make the book of Job a lifelong enterprise for me. And I invite you to come and join with that. You'll have a chance to look through the book of Job, which sometimes is sort of put aside as a hard read. And I invite you to have an opportunity to raise issues of difficulties, of frustrations, and how we deal with that and what God can put up with that. It's going to be a fine session. I look forward to seeing you.